Hi, I'm Jake, the Director of Product for Access Control at Verkada. Our new AC12 one-door controller minimizes cabling while expanding functionality. The device brings the security, control, and visibility of cloud-managed access control to standalone entrances that would otherwise be difficult to secure with an electronic system. Its elegant, low-profile design make it a fantastic option for high-visibility installations around the door. It's also plenum-rated, so it can be installed in drop ceilings that provide air circulation. And the compact form factor can be installed in even the tightest spaces. The AC12 requires only a single PoE cable, making it perfect for remote locations or protected buildings that are difficult to access or modify. Measuring only 6.91 inches squared, the AC12 includes the most robust set of access control capabilities we've ever put in a controller. The door port can drive standard power to any 12-volt or 24-volt electronic lock, while 2 reader ports and 2 Rex ports can support native in-out badging with any combination of Verkada and third-party readers. The AC12 has the same chipset as our standard 4-door and 16-door access controllers, making it an excellent fit for customers installing a mix of controllers across their buildings. We've also added an innovative networking and power feature to the AC12, PoE Pass-Through. PoE Pass-Through enables the AC12 to provide consistent data and power through a dedicated PoE out port that can power a peripheral device. This makes it easier than ever to place and power a Verkada camera next to a standalone door, enabling organizations to obtain a powerful added layer of visual context for all of their door events. The AC12 packs all of this functionality into a low-profile design, with a 3-part structure that ensures simplified installation in any location. Once installed, the AC12 is easy to manage from Verkada Command, a cloud-based software application that we've designed to be as intuitive to use as any consumer application. From device setup, to quickly conducting investigations, and remotely granting or revoking access to a door, the AC12 allows organizations to bring cloud-managed access control and video monitoring to standalone doors that would otherwise be difficult or cost-prohibitive to secure. We can't wait for you to try the AC12.